Hello, friends. Welcome to AQ by IAS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. And in today's session, we are talking about Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So, why are we talking about SCO today? Actually, Prime Minister Modi, he addressed the annual summit of SCO. So, he addressed this summit virtually and he highlighted that radicalization is the biggest threat, it is the biggest challenge to Central Asian region. In fact, he suggested a common template for fighting against radicalization and extremism. So, from the exams perspective, radicalization becomes extremely important. Why? Because Prime Minister Modi emphasized in a larger extent that radicalization is the biggest threat. And the recent developments in Afghanistan have made it explicit, have made it apparent that radicalization needs to be taken seriously. So, from the exams perspective, it is very important. Now, what is radicalization? See, let's try to understand this. Suppose there is a person, and this person is very calm, moderate, normal, law abiding citizen. Now, because of some circumstances, this person gets transformed into a violent extremist person. So, this process of converting, this process of transforming from a moderate person to an extremist person is known as radicalization. Now, there are some types of radicalization like left wing extremism, right wing extremism, political and religious extremism. So, this topic is important and can be asked in your mains examination. You can read about this topic comprehensively. Now, from the prelims perspective, SEO becomes extremely important. Remember, SEO, it was created in 2001, and in 2005, India joined as the observer state. So, in 2005, India was given the status of observer state, and India became a full fledged member in 2017. India and Pakistan. So right now we have 9 member states. So now you must be wondering how come 9? Because there are 8 member states. Actually, this time Iran has joined as the full-fledged member. So the figure stands at 9 right now. It is no longer 8, it is 9 now because Iran has joined as the full-fledged member. And remember one more thing, that Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Qatar, they have joined as the new dialogue partners. Okay, so the names of these members are very important, and since Iran has joined, this also becomes very important point from your exams perspective. So, from the prelims perspective, just remember the names of these members. And Prime Minister Modi, he said one more thing, that Central Asian region, it is known for its culture. It is known for Sufism because Sufism flourished throughout the region. And still, we can see the impact of Sufism in this region. So he said that in these countries, in these member states of SCO, we can see so many institutions which are very tolerant, which are very moderate. We still see so many traditions, and there must be a network of these traditions, institutions, so that we can create a peaceful region, a more calmer, more tolerant region in the Central Asia. So, all these facts I wanted to discuss in today's session. If you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all for today's session. I'm signing off. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye. Take care.